If ever a professional underwater robot is required, the newly released Geneinno T1 Pro may well fit the bill. The robot can dive up to 574 feet and is capable of a wide range of motions and functions. The Geneinno T1 Pro is suited to perform a variety of ocean exploration needs, including investigating and measuring coral reefs, sunken vessels, and sea creatures. The Geneinno T1 Pro can also be used in freshwater applications, such as analyzing water composition. Its water quality detector can measure ammonia, nitrogen, pH values, and dissolved oxygen levels. The onboard laser scaler is capable of shooting two beams at 75 mm apart, enabling the user to accurately measure aquatic life and structures where live divers cannot safely reach. The user can even manipulate the functional robotic arm gripper to bring samples up to the surface. The Geneinno T1 Pro comes with a flight case and thruster protector for use en route and to and from dive locations. For more, visit IMBOLDN.com and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.